Hello, good morning. My name is Rajkumar Mahato. I am from Chiton, Nepal. I am 22 years old. I have passed plus 2. I have 2 years experience as a cook in Dhanpati Palace, Chiton, Nepal. I am married person. Now I will show my cutting skill.
कहाँ जापानमा युरोपको टार्गेट छ भाइको कटिङ सिक्यो नि